everyone! Welcome to the world's leading plastic and rubber trade show, CHINAPLAS 2024. After a gap of 6 years, YIZUMI comes back to Shanghai with well preparation. Now come with me and let me show you our booth this time.
Did you feel the hot wave here? This year, around 4,000 exhibitors are gathering together. It is hall number 4. The booth drawing all the attention and in Zion is right behind me. YIZUMI. Of course, there are new and cool products and new technologies at YIZUMI booth. The first thing you can see is the 128K 50 disposable vacuum blood collection tube cap solution. With a daily production capacity of more than 1.2 million, the machine features higher efficiency and lower energy consumption. Next is YIZUMI's latest achievement, vertical injection molding machine. It combines two conventional vertical machines with automation, making it more suitable for flexible production. Besides, there are optical lens layer injection and automated molding solution, tamper-proof buckets and handle one-shot molding solution, SpaceA 3D printing solution for small batch customization solution, and the E+ intelligent manufacturing platform. This enables the demand of intelligent, efficient, and green development in many industries, including medical care, new energy vehicles, package, circular economy, and special materials. Also, YB's media are focusing on the new development of YIZUMI.
The future of the plastic industry is undoubtedly heading towards greater sustainability and digitalization. YIZUMI is well prepared for these trends by continuously enhancing our product offerings with the latest technology advancements.
Now is the end of YIZUMI booth tour at CHINAPLAS 2024. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time with our product managers. Bye!